What's up, my YouTube family? If you want to be part of the G Squad, make sure you just click that notification bell and hit the subscribe button to be part of the G Squad. Today's menu is going to be chili beans. So what I have right here is some of this bag. I just have a 1 pound bag. Is this 1 pound bag? Yeah, a 1 pound bag of regular pinto beans that I'm going to take out all of the bad beans. These, like, you know, broken up beans that look kind of corroded. We're just gonna take those out, split those up. We have hubby in the background cooking the meat for the chili beans. We're gonna take out the bad beans, give them a rinse, let them soak for a while, and then we'll be right back with you when we get them on the stove. So we're back. Here are our beans after they have been washed, separated from the bad beans, and they soaked for a little while in some water. We gave them a rinse. This is a step that you don't want to skip out on because it helps to cook your beans, your pinto beans, faster. Now we got our water over here. Here has some onions and it has some bacon in it. Just a couple strips of bacon to add a little bit more flavor. We're gonna go ahead and add our beans in. Beans are added in. We're gonna let those come to a boil. And then we will turn it down some, put the top on, and let those go. So we will be back probably partway through so you can see what they look like. So we are back and we are on the stove and we have our pinto beans boiling in our pot. This is what they're looking like thus far. You've got your onions, you've got your you've got some bacon in there, you've got some your beans, and what we're gonna do now is go ahead and season these, okay? So let me show you guys. In this bowl right here is like a pound of, or half a pound of ground beef and a pound of turkey meat that has been seasoned with the quad and some garlic and onions and chili powder, all right? This is what's going in the beans when they are basically almost done. So here are your beans. They're coming to a nice boil. We're gonna go ahead and add the rest of this beef bouillon, some black pepper, and I'm also gonna mix it up a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken bouillon to it as well. That's about a teaspoon. Add some black pepper to it. Not too much. You don't want to over season because if you need something later, you want to be able to add it. You can't take away. You can add, but you can't take away. Alright, so what we're going to do is turn these beans, they're right now on a high heat. We're going to turn them down to like a medium low. And we're going to put, I'm gonna put a top on these. A lot of times people don't put tops on them and they, you know, let it go ahead and do what it's gonna do. You're gonna lose some water. You're gonna cook them until they're tender. Once they're tender, you're gonna add your meat to it, mix it up well, taste it, see what type of seasonings you need, and go from there. If you need a little more water, make sure you're adding hot water back to it, and then you let that go until it's done. So we will be back when it's time to add the meat. That's a good time to come back. When it's time to add the meat. But this is on medium low heat and I'm going to add, put a top on it. Be right back. So we are back with our beans. I actually took the top off just now, but I wanted to show you guys where we are. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit to like a medium. I had it on a medium low, but this is what our beans look like thus far. they are nice and tender. So here's what we're about to do, because they done. We're gonna go in with our meat that we cooked earlier. Remember, about half a pound of hamburger meat and a pound of turkey meat. And we're gonna add this to our beans, just like so. Then we're gonna give that a stir. I'm gonna turn the heat up on those. And you wanna let this simmer. Let's taste the taste your flavoring. And I'm gonna cook this the rest of the way, probably another 15 to 20 minutes without the top on a medium-high heat. And then your beans will be ready to go. I'm gonna give this another little taste. That tastes pretty good. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more chicken bouillon because I've ran out of beef. Beef would be your best bet though. Triple beef, best bet. Now, I think what I am gonna do is I'm gonna make a little roux. I'm gonna do some flour and oil, or you can do water and cornstarch. I'm gonna do a little bit of flour and some oil and create a roux just to thicken up the juices a tad bit. All we wanna do is thicken them up just a little bit.